In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Desktop not opening. If Steam won't launch or seems stuck, this quick reset through Task Manager usually clears it up in seconds. Start on your Windows desktop and look at the bar running along the bottom of your screen. Right-click that taskbar to open the context menu. From there, click Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, expand it so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. This lets you confirm exactly what's active and avoid closing anything you still need. Next, find Steam in the list. You might see it under Apps as Steam or under background processes with names like Steam Services. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting Steam and not an unrelated program. Closing the wrong thing could interrupt work elsewhere. Once you've located it, right-click Steam in Task Manager. This brings up the control options for that process. Choose End Task. What this does is fully shut down any frozen or hidden Steam instance that might be blocking a normal launch. Give it a few seconds to disappear from the list so you know it's completely closed. Now, try opening Steam again from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. Because we just cleared the stuck process, Steam should start fresh. If it opens, sign in as usual and you're good to go. If Steam still doesn't open, it's a good idea to check Windows for updates, since outdated system components can interfere with apps. Click the search icon on your taskbar, type check for updates, and open the Windows Update settings. If updates are available, let them install. Updating can refresh system files and services that Steam depends on, which often resolves stubborn launch issues. That's it. By ending the stuck Steam task and making sure your PC is up to date, you'll fix the most common causes of Steam not opening and get back to your games quickly.